Hi,
Hi,
Suzanne. How are you?
welcome. What's your
Thank you so
question?
much. So my question is, I'm rebranding myself as an IVF coach. So I do know what my client's pain is. I've been through IVF myself, so I know the journey very well. Um, but I don't know clearly how to word their pain so
So
that
why
they
don't you
can.
just tell us what you think it is? Don't worry. We're all messy here. It's good. And let James and I work on it a little bit.
Okay, so I suppose their pain is they don't understand the journey. They might feel like a failure as a
Wait,
female
they
because
don't
it's women.
understand the journey of what?
The IVF journey.
Okay,
So
the
and the
IVF journey.
jargon.
Okay, great. Okay.
That's it, and the jargon associated with it.
So I can
So
tell
my
you right there, this is all wrong.
okay, yeah,
Yep.
brilliant.
Let me tell you why. Right? I have a 5-year-old little boy born via donated embryos and through surrogacy. My wife and I spent 3 years on this journey and spent, I don't know, $200,000. $200,000. Well, James just raised his eyebrows. James is like, this is why I have plants. That's what he was just thinking. He's like, look at my plants. They're beautiful. So let me tell you why it's all wrong. They're not afraid of the journey. They're afraid of not having a child.
100%.
And that's the
And
only focus. They will live, if somebody told them the journey was driving nails into their knees, they wouldn't like it, and they might want support and hand holding to get through it. But literally, they don't actually care. I mean, we know this. We know because, I mean, I've been through this. I've ended up in the emergency room going through fertility treatments. We'll pretty much go to extreme measures, but what we really want is the kid, right? What we really want is to have a child.
yeah,
So you have to get really clear on the fact that all the in between is
that's it.
once they hire you, you'll help them with everything, right? And you'll help them with the fear, and you'll help them to know what the process is and what the journey is. And you'll help, we spent money on a fertility coach. And the reason we spent money on it was they were like, we're going to help you through the process. So we don't give a fuck about the process. Give us the 3 doctors that will make it happen. This was somebody who was the head of the National American Fertility Association. She started it years ago. And she was like, and we'll walk you through the process. We were like, nope, that's fine. I mean, some people want that. And we're like, you tell us who the best. We want a list of the best. We want to know who to go to. So I think it's really important for you to know that you help couples or help women or couples or however you want to state it, who are struggling with fertility, find a path to parenthood. Because here's the deal. It may be that you coach and encourage them towards adoption if they get to that point. It may be that you coach and I mean, there's a million paths, as you well know, but all people are interested in is, how do I become a mom? How do I become a dad? How do I become a parent? Keep the message to the point of what people actually want. Does that make sense?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. What a
100%.
great example. Guys, I'm so glad she came up because it's not a typical, I'm a business coach or I'm a life coach or I'm that. It is in a unique market, and it's a great reminder that I know you can do a million things for these families. Right? You can help them through the fear and the support and all that. But at the end of the day, they're not waking up in the middle of the night going, oh, I'm worried that this journey may be hard. They're waking up in the middle of the night going, will I ever have a child?
Yeah.
Thank you for that. And you're doing
Thank
beautiful
you,
work.
Suzanne.
You're doing beautiful work in the world. Thank you for everything you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you.